we are asked to find dy over dx, that's the derivative of y with respect to x, which is y prime, we denote by y prime, by implicit differentiation. So we need to take the derivative of left side and right side. Okay, take the derivative of both sides. So derivative of right side, derivative of 5, which is 0, and derivative of left side, that is derivative of first term minus derivative of second plus derivative of third. Okay, so the right side, derivative of 5 is 0. On the left, derivative of x square, that's 2x, minus derivative of xy, so x times y. So let me write derivative of xy, I'll come back in a moment, plus derivative of y square. So let me write derivative of y square. Okay, that's 0 already in the right side. This is 2x. Here we got a product of two functions because y is also function of x. Y is a function of x, so we need to use product rule here. Okay, derivative of product. So minus, so I'm going to put parentheses around due to this negative sign. Using product rule, derivative of first factor 1 times y plus derivative of second factor, derivative of y, just y prime. Y prime is what we are looking for, times the first factor x. Okay, this is coming from the derivative of xy using product rule, plus derivative of y square. So using chain rule, or it's like derivative of x square, which is 2x, so 2y times y prime. Okay, y prime is not 1. If we were doing finding the derivative of x square, that's 2x, you can think x prime, but x prime is derivative of x with respect to x, so this is 1, so we just write 2x. But when we are finding the derivative of y square, it is not only 2y, this is 2y times y prime, and y prime is not 1. This is in fact dy over dx, and that's what we are trying to find here. Okay, now we need to distribute this negative sign, so 2x minus 1y is just y, minus plus minus y prime x, let me write in this way, x y prime plus 2y y prime, that equals 0. Okay, so we have 4 terms in the left side. This one contains y prime and this one also contains y prime, so we want to factor y prime from these two terms and move these two terms to the other side. So basically subtract 2x, add y. Okay, so subtract 2x and add y, that's in the right side. From these two terms we can factor y prime out. What is left? Negative x plus 2y, so I will write plus 2y first, 2y minus x, and finally y prime is isolated by dividing by this factor. So divide both sides by 2y minus x, we get y prime equals negative 2x plus y all over 2y minus x. There is no we cannot simplify anything, just stop here. Finally.